Today we're looking at some light bulbs from Naprel. These are backup batteries on LED light bulbs, 3000 Kelvin, nice and warm temperature. As you can see here, 4 to 5 hours of runtime, 1200 milliamp backup battery. Really nice bulbs. 15 watts, 3000 Kelvin, nice and soft light. Use them for camping, RV, craft shows, everything. Let's go for the unboxing. Hey gang, welcome back to another episode of your review channel where we're looking at some light bulbs by Naprel. Interesting backup battery bulb. Interesting how this works. Let's do a quick unboxing. These are standard light bulbs and they have emergency backup batteries built into them, which is really kind of cool. So what comes in the package is a package of 4. This is the kit of 4. So it comes with the very simple instruction manual, basically how to use operations, things like that, and come with 4 light bulbs. We're going to pull these all out and take a look at them. All right, guys, so what's in the box? So we have 4 light bulbs. Each one of these are rechargeable, and they are a standard light bulb. I'm going to take a look at the box here. I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you what the box says. So these are light bulbs, and they do come with little hooks, and these are little switches hooks that you can use these to turn them on and off when they're not in the light bulb. So this is the emergency part of it feature. You can carry this around your house. You can use this anywhere you go, and that comes with 4 bulbs and 4 of these. That's important to know. Each of these is 15 watt, replaces approximately an 85 watt light bulb, 3 to 4 hours of glowing time during power outages, and that is, it does vary, obviously, how much it's charged, things like that. It's an E26 standard base. They have technical support. This is no noise and flicker free with the LED bulbs, which is kind of cool, and they have a 2-year warranty. Now, just to let you know, this is a 3000 Kelvin color temperature, so that's a nice warm light. So it's not that super bright white. It's just a nice warm light, which I like that as well. And it is 750 lumens. That's how bright it is. So those are just a couple different specs. Again, 15 watts of power that it draws, and a roughly 85 watt output. Is that what you're getting from a lamp? And that does vary. Again, when it's on as power, it does vary. It does vary as it gets battery wears down. It will get dimmer over time, but you get that 3 to 4 hours of backup, but you do need. And if you got multiples hanging around, you're really good for a while. So that's a good idea too as well. So definitely, it's a good company so far. They reached out to me, sent me this package to do a review on, and that's what I'm doing today. So what are these? So these are really kind of cool. They're an interesting light bulb by this company, and they actually are very interesting. So I was playing with them and testing them out, and just to see how they work. So they're a good size bulb, and I'll just give you a comparison to an old-fashioned light bulb. Old-fashioned light bulb. This is the standard. This is the new technology today with the LED bulbs and things like that. They're a little bit bigger, but this is even bigger because there's a built-in battery and some electronics built into it as well. But this standard light bulb, just to give you a comparison of the size. So it is a bigger bulb, but it does fit into all lamps. So that's not a problem whatsoever. So what does it do? What does it look like? So this is what it is. And each one of these come just like you see here in this kit of 4. They'll have a plastic covering on them to protect them. Just make sure you move that. So you want to charge these before you use them. They do come charged, just to let you know, but you want to charge them. Put them in a lamp that you're going to use all the time. That way, every time the lamp is on, they're always charging. That's the idea behind this bulb. So every time you have a power outage, something happens, you go ahead. You have to unplug it from the lamp because the lamp is not a closed loop. It's AC versus DC kind of thing. So it doesn't have a built-in switcher inside. So it does, but it does have the battery being charged. So a couple different ways of activating it. A simple way is using the cap. So this is designed. So if there's a power outage, you just pop this on, and you can see the bulb right on. And this is the switch. It's an on-off switch, which is kind of cool. So let me just shut off my light. This is totally dark here. You can see it is quite a bit of light there. It's got a lot of light, and you can hang this, like I said. Let me put the light back on. So you can hang this anywhere in the house on a hook if you're working on somewhere. Absolutely very convenient and very easy to use. Very well built. Nice quality as well. Like I said, it's just like a standard light bulb. You plug it in, and it just works. It's kind of cool. All right, so you have 4 of these switches. Another way of activating them is with your fingers. You just hold it down with your finger like this here, and they go on because you're just making a connection, right? That's kind of cool. So that's interesting, right? So you can do the Uncle Fester thing. Everybody remembers the Addams Family. So that's what that is. So how do you use it? Okay, so I have here is let's call this our fake lamp. It's just a light holder. And let's put the bulb in. So we're going to screw the bulb in just like that there. And we're going to turn it on. So that is regular bulb. That's a very bright too, by the way. That's very bright. My eyes. So you can see that's extremely bright. I mean, so it really works pretty well. So it's a nice bright light. You can just see here how it lights up my whole workbench here. Very, very nice, very, very bright. So what happens is that will charge that in there. So when you're leaving that on, put the light on so you can see, when you leave that on here, it'll continually charge this bulb. Around 4 to 6 hours to charge them fully, but if it's in the container all the time, always charging, it'll keep the charge, it'll keep it up there. So when you do have that power outage, boom, you can access the bulb. So if there's a power outage, what happens? Okay, the light's on, power goes out, right? The power goes out. What happened? The light decided, I just pulled it out of the wall, and this represents basically a power outage. So what happened? The light doesn't go on by itself. What you have to do is remove the bulb is one way, and you can use these switches. That's one way of doing it. You can hold it with your fingers in an emergency. That's another way of doing it. Or if you have, here is the plug switch. You can use your fingers. As long as you complete the circuit, this goes on. Isn't that crazy? So you can use a screwdriver for this. You can use an old pair of pliers. I mean, anything you have hanging around. Pair of pliers. So you have an old pair of pliers, just pop those on there like that, and it'll go right on. It is crazy. So you can do that. You can. So if you have a lamp, you don't have to take it out of the lamp bulb if you don't want to. Just unplug it from the light socket. Paper clip, light. I don't care. Whatever you have to do to make the connection, it'll work just like that. So then you can have your emergency light like that, or if you have to, you just unplug it like that. Use this cap on here, just like you see here, and you're good to go. And then you got your light, and just like that. And that's cool. And I like this. This is really nice, great for emergencies, fantastic, good quality build. They have a lot of good reviews online. So they reached out to me. I just wanted to see for myself how they worked and how they looked. So yes, I do like them. I like the way they look. I like the way they work. They're very well made. You do get 4 of them in this kit, and you can see the different options that you have to turn them on and off. Basically, bottom line is the power goes out. Most likely you have to unplug it and put something on the connection at the end, or take them out and use the cap. And that's what I recommend doing. Simple enough. You can walk around and good to go. And I like these. So I'm just going to pop these in a lamp, just give you a couple shots to see what it looks like with a lamp on. And let's go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate it as always. If you enjoy my videos, let me know. Leave some comments down below. And also, I consider that super thanks to help support my channel. Everything I do raise within that channel help support me so I can go ahead and produce more videos to show you all about these cool and interesting features. Okay guys, so this is what I would do. This is my lamp in my room here, and I screwed in the bulb, and it fits no problem in the lamp, as you can see here. It's plugged in regular into the AC. I'm going to turn it on, and this is what the bulb looks like in the lamp. Nice and warm, 3000 Kelvin, my favorite color. And you can see how nice and bright it is. Let's simulate a power failure. So what I would do is I would take out the bulb, and I would just hang it inside the lamp. That way you have full control and full access to the power features. Turn it on and off. You don't have to worry about unplugging anything. It's just the easiest way in my book. Take it with you if you have to move it around, and it looks great. Plenty of power, plenty of light. I love the way it looks. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below, so go ahead and look at below there. It is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission if you do purchase this bulb, and I do appreciate that. It does help support my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. I love it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as always, and take a look at all the videos all around here. There's really kind of cool and interesting stuff for you to learn, and I appreciate your time.